so Mauricio is going to show another back circuit. What you're going to do is you're going to throw a jab. Okay, so when you throw the jab, you want to go right down to the body right away. See, I come down to the body. I know I'm going to the body, so I can throw it up, and I'm already actually in there. I don't go this, then this. I can just go one. I'm already down. One to the body, two to the body, and two to the head. So I go 1, 2, 3. Okay. So notice how my elbows are in. I don't want to be like this. Okay, I want to throw, engage with your side of your whole hip and everything else. Engage, engage, up to the head. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let him do it, and let's see. He's generating a lot of force. He's not very far from the body, and I'm telling you, he's hitting the bag. You can feel it. You can feel the bag really going through. 1. Good. Notice how his hands are up, elbows are in. Okay, his hands aren't dropping. Let's show what not to do. So ready? Step in with a jab and keep your right hand down. See, it's hard for him to do it. So step in, keep your right hand down. Keep that right hand down. Show what not to do.
All right.
Yep. So you don't want to be down here, okay? And notice how this hand, when he goes up here and he throws the other hook, he keeps it down here. Let's throw the right way. Throw to the body, throw to the body, throw to the head. Notice that hand stays right clasped to his face. Now, would you do this exactly in a fight? Probably 99% not. But if you keep on training, you know, that brings those stats way down. In reference to keeping your hands up. You gotta train right. Notice how he's throwing his hands. Okay, that's why this is 10 times better than anything you got at home DVD, because you're really learning the right way to throw punches. And that takes a lot more thinking, which actually brings your cardio up and your nervous system into place. Nice job, one more time. And good.